Was there a collective sigh of relief when that deadline passed and you guys were intact?
Yeah, I think you never know what's going to happen, but I think guys are really excited that the locker room didn't change very much, and we have such a tight-knit group, and we really hold each other accountable and battle and have the will to compete most games, and that's a tough thing to find in a locker room, I think, especially at this level. We're really just looking forward to every game here now, the next game, and that's a great mentality to have.
How are you guys able to? What did you do differently tonight to keep their shots down, to keeping Kovalchuk on the outside, or what?
Yeah, I mean, we didn't have probably as good a forecheck as we wanted to, but the back pressure we had from our forwards was awesome. Allowed the defensemen and everybody in their group there to stay up and create, make them dump it in as opposed to carrying it in. And if we can do that, it allows us to get back, and they just keep to the perimeter, like you said, and we can block shots most times if it's outside. And Henke still had made some pretty good saves there, especially Kovalchuk late in the game, and that's what you want, and that's what we're used to seeing, which is great.
This kind of had the feel like it was kind of the clock was fast forwarded 6 weeks and it was April, and it seemed like it was like a playoff type atmosphere down on the ice.
Yeah, I think the intensity's been picking up a couple of weeks before this, and we know that points are going to be even harder to come by here, but we're a pretty confident group here, and know that our structure is what leads to our success, and everybody really knows where they're supposed to be on the ice. When we take advantage of some opportunities, we can score some goals, and if we defend well enough, we should win a lot of games, which is what our goal is.
For management to affirm what you guys have been saying about how much you like your team, what's the feeling in this room like about that?
I think everybody's just excited. Like I said, we have a really tight-knit group, and the chemistry's there. Our leadership's unbelievable. We get up for every game. The effort's been there a ton this year. We know we've got skill up front to compete with a lot of teams, and they've scored big goals, and their power play is coming around. We're getting great looks there. Our penalty killing's always been, our foundation of our success. So it's a lot of the same, hopefully, and continued success.